Hello everyone, this is TobeTada with another video of crypto trading. Thanks for checking by and let's dive right in. So for today I thought we'd compare STEEM with US dollars and STEEM with Bitcoin, and also maybe review what Bitcoin did in the last couple of days, and if we can establish some sort of pattern and perhaps also make a somewhat of a future trend here or outlook. And if we look at Bitcoin, we of course had the crash yesterday of about 20% downwards here, reaching a low of about 8,000, I believe, 7,998, so somewhat below 8,000 here. And this corresponded very well to our prediction, as we have said that the correction probably will be around this 0.618 ratio. And of course we have this comparison to the last major crash here in Bitcoin, which was at the end of 2018, and you can see that the crash basically had an upward dip again before it resulted in a low here of about 3,100. And I think we can compare that very well to the current situation, because if you look at this movement here in the market in the last couple of months, it actually looks very similar to the bear market or the market over the last year, the last 2 years here in Bitcoin. So this sharp crash, I think, is very similar to the current one, and that's basically one ways of predicting or analyzing markets in terms of fractals and patterns. And so I think we can very well still see a price going downwards to about 8,000 and perhaps 7,500. But I'm fairly sure that we won't see lower prices here. After that, I fully expect the price to go upwards again. Now, if we see STEEM US dollars here in this chart, we can obviously see the bear market here, which has been much longer than for other altcoins. For other altcoins, it actually ended here with Bitcoin in 2018 in December, and since then most of the coins have stayed above this low point here. For STEEM, this is not the case, and we went into this a little bit in the last couple of videos, and so I think we could establish this corrective pattern here as an ABC, and we could probably see a low of about 8 to 11 cents. Now 11 cents has already been reached yesterday, and I fully expect the price to go somewhat lower, but not below 8 cents, because we have here somewhat of a support line here from the 8 cents. And also you can see that this wedge in the triangle does not allow for much more room going downwards here. And so in this trading pair with US dollars, I think we will probably see somewhat of a decrease in price, perhaps something like that, before going back up again. Now for the trading pair STEEM and Bitcoin, we can see that actually a fairly similar pattern. We had a downward movement of price ever since it started trading, basically, with these impulse wave corrections going upwards again. Now, interestingly, you can see that for the last 2 months there has been a stagnation in the price here. The price has not gone lower than what we see currently. I think that's quite significant, because it means that we have probably established a low point for this correction here, as I've indicated as an ABC as well. And because it's seems to be such a strong support, the price, in my opinion, can only continue upwards from here. Now, of course, that would mean if price goes up, Bitcoin, relatively speaking, is not making as much gain. And we'll have to see exactly what that could mean. But from this chart perspective, in my opinion, it means we're not going to see lower price here paired up to Bitcoin. So let me know what you think. I hope this has been helpful, and see you in the next video. Bye.